Today's video is one that is super important to girls. We're going to be diving into everything you need to know about periods. We'll be covering what a period actually is, what you can expect, different products you can use, and tips for handling periods in general. Whether this is all completely new to you, or you just want to refresh what you know, I hope you'll find something helpful. This video is a collaboration with Dear X Diary. Make sure to check out her channel to see the second part of the video. What a period is. Let's start with the basics. A period, or menstruation, is something girls start getting when their bodies mature and reach puberty. For most girls, periods last around 3 to 7 days, so it can be different for everyone. Most girls get their first periods anytime from ages 9 to 13, so don't be confused if you get your first period at a different age than your friends. However, if you're 18 and haven't gotten it yet, you should see a doctor. Periods come with physical and emotional changes as your body is getting used to all the new hormones surging inside of it. This can cause pimples popping up on your chin, bloating in your lower stomach, or feelings of tiredness or crankiness. These are all part of the hormonal changes happening in your body. Some girls also experience cramps during their period, which feel like a really bad stomach ache. These symptoms can sometimes be inconvenient, but they can be managed, which we'll get into. Period care. Let's see how you can make your period more comfortable. First, menstrual products. One of the best ways to feel prepared for your period is to find the menstrual products that work best for you. There are several options, but if you're really young, pads and tampons are the best and most comfortable option. Pads. A pad sticks to the inside of your underwear to absorb blood. To use one, tear open the sanitary pad. Remove the sticky paper from the center. Remove the packing paper. Turn the panty inside out and place a sanitary pad on the crotch of the panty. Wrap the wings around the crotch to secure the pad firmly. Pads come in various sizes, so pick one that's comfortable. You should change your pad 3 times a day to stay fresh, once in the morning after you've had your shower, once at noon, and once before bed. Tampons. Tampons are a bit different from pads because they're worn internally. To use a tampon, wash your hands, get comfortable, and unwrap the tampon. Hold the applicator between your middle finger and thumb at the grip, and gently insert the tampon at a slight angle toward your lower back until your fingers touch your body. Use your index finger to push the inner tube of the applicator all the way in, then remove the applicator, leaving string hanging outside. Don't worry, the tampon won't get stuck or lost. If you feel some discomfort, take out the tampon and try again with a fresh one. You should change your tampon once every 6 hours. It's all about finding what works for you. Some girls prefer pads, others like tampons, and some might use both depending on the day. Menstrual hygiene. Staying clean and fresh is especially important during your period, so let's go over some basic menstrual hygiene tips. Change and wash your underwear daily to keep stains from setting in. Use a bar soap or detergent for this, or bleach if it's white. Aim to take a shower at least once a day during your period. Not only does it help you feel fresh, but it also prevents body odor. Use a gentle body soap and warm water to clean your body. Avoid using overly harsh soaps or scented products on your intimate areas, as these can irritate your skin. If you like using feminine washes, choose a mild, unscented one. When it's time to dispose of a pad or tampon, wrap it in a dark-colored bag or wrap it in toilet paper before putting it in the trash. Avoid flushing pads or tampons down the toilet as they can clog the pipes. And remember to always wash your hands thoroughly afterward. Now, here are some extra tips to get through your period smoothly. Pack a small period kit to carry in your bag. This kit should include 3 spare pads or tampons, a small pack of tissues, a packet of pain relievers, and hand sanitizer. This way, you'll be ready even if your period catches you by surprise. During your period, make sure to only wear cotton underwear. It's breathable, easy to wash, and helps keep your pad from moving around. It can feel a bit stressful to wear light colors on your period, especially if you're worried about leaks. Stick to dark-colored skirts, pants, or shorts during your period so that leaks aren't as obvious if you're away from home and don't have a spare pad handy. For painful cramps, a hot water bottle can be a lifesaver. Fill it with hot water, wrap it in several layers of cloth, and place it on your lower abdomen. The warmth helps relax muscles and relieve cramping pain. You may get some unusual cravings during your period. It's okay to indulge yourself during this time, just make sure to do it in moderation. Along with that, focus on home-cooked meals with plenty of fresh vegetables to help recover the blood lost during your period. Leafy greens, beans, and lean meats are great iron-rich foods to have during your cycle. If possible, avoid using public toilets when you're on your period to reduce the risk of infections. If you have to use one, be sure to carry disinfectant wipes to clean down the seats and wash your hands well afterwards. The average period lasts from 3 to 7 days, so if you find that yours is much shorter or longer, it might be a good idea to visit a gynecologist to help you understand what's going on. And that's it for the video. Periods are a totally normal part of life, and learning to manage them can make such a big difference. I hope these tips help you feel prepared when you need it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and I'll see you next Friday.